Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you'll see all the great videos that I put on this here YouTube. Alright? Good. So today will be an unboxing video. See the little Apple bag. So what I will be unboxing are the Powerbeats headphones. And I'm just going to open them up, show you guys the headphones, talk about why I got them, and that's it. So if you want to see more, keep watching. Okay, so let me take this out the bag. The reason why I got these headphones, so these are the Powerbeats. I got the black ones. I wear headphones every day on the way to work, on the train, to listen to music. Anytime I work out, I'm listening to music. If I'm on a plane, I'm listening to music. So I figured I should get me some good headphones. I had the over-ear Beats before. I had about 2 or 3 pairs of them. They were good headphones while they lasted, but they will always break. When you work out, the over-ear ones, the sweat from your face breaks down the little headband over time, so they don't last that long. So you got like a good 2 years, and then that head part comes apart. So we're gonna see what happens with these. I did get the Apple Care, so if I see that when it gets close to 2 years that they on the struggle bus, I will be getting a new pair. So and that Apple Care was $29.99, just in case you're curious. So this is the little case that they come in. You can charge it through that little thing right there. These are not new, they've been out for a while. So I feel like if you want to see actual reviews where people use them, you can find that. Maybe I'll make one when time comes. These are the little headphones. They have 4 different little tips that go on the inside. And you kind of, I actually haven't even put them on yet. So this will be interesting to see if I feel like this tip is the correct size. Okay. I feel like that's pretty solidly in there. I also feel like I can't hear anything else. So this is the case with the headphone. That is the headphone on the ear. And in the box underneath the case, there is the actual cord that you can use to charge it. That's the cord that you need to use to charge it. And then there's 2 other sets of inner ear things. So I'm gonna take this one off just so I can hear myself and so you guys can see. This is like the medium size one, and then I'm gonna hold this close to the camera. Inside the pack, oh, the plastic makes it hard to see, is the tiny one and a bigger one, I think, or maybe I lied. No, this is the big one, and then inside the pack are the tiny and the little ones. So yeah, and then there's an even pair of smaller ones that are right up in there. So they give you 3 pairs, well 4, 1 2 3, and then the pair that's already on here. So you get a lot that comes with this. In terms of price point, these were $199. Beats are expensive. That's just the way, the name of the game. This little case is cute. I do like that, and I like the way that it's going to hold them. And they said the case needs to be charged every 24 hours. The headphones last for 9 hours. I don't know how true that is because, like I said, I haven't used them yet, but I definitely want to unbox them and show you. This case is weighty, so I like that. It feels like it's worth $200. In terms of Beats sound quality, I know that you guys are probably like, why would you get Beats when they have Apple headphones, AirPods, that's what you call those things. I have a unique shaped ear, like we all do, but mine's for some reason feels a way about AirPods. The earpods, the ones that are on the string, always pop out my ear. So the idea of getting one and it's just freestanding, hanging out in there, is scary to me. So I wanted to have the around the earpiece. If Apple would have invented a way to take like the Apple Pro and then put it within around the earpiece that's optional, then I would have bought it. But clearly they're going for that look where it's just in your ear floating, which is fine. I just can't do it, especially with my hair. Like I can already imagine like it getting wrapped up in there and then it falls on the subway, and now I'm like a mad woman feeling the dirty, spitty, peed up ground trying to find this one little headphone. That is just not something I want to do. So Instead, I got the Beats that go around the ear, and I mean, they're made by Apple also, so I'm fully expecting them to be just as amazing as the AirPod Pros, if not better, because they have the same H1 chip. It's supposed to be able to do all the things. So and Beats are like kind of really for music. Like, I feel like the AirPods, it's kind of like you can talk, do business. If you need to listen to music, you can, but you can do all these other productivity things with these headphones. And I don't really do productivity things with my headphones. I listen to music. So I'm excited about using them. We'll see if they end up being worth the money, but I love them so far, and I'm excited to use them. So if you do have these and you have any tricks or tips, or if you think I should go return them immediately because you had a bad experience, write it in the comments and let me know. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.